Hi, I'm back. Alright, here's a quick video. I thought of this last night and I posted out my Snapchat and stuff. I'm just like, I have to do this. I got so excited. I was up at 3 a.m. and designing this like whole makeup thing, and I'm just like, I need to do this. I need to do this. It's Pride Month. Why not do this? So I'm just like, okay, I need to show you. So I'm gonna do that. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try. So, yes, like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I do have more ideas. Now, I know, like, on my Instagram and stuff, I said, oh, I got a new video, gonna have it out soon. Turns out that was a lie. Most of those videos that I made are not gonna come out because YouTube changed some things and now I can't get them up how I used to. But I will try to get around to remaking them so that I can get them up for you guys to see them, because they were pretty cool. But for now, let's get into this makeup because I'm very excited. Someone just texted me. Don't do that right now. Anyway, yeah, so let's get into the makeup. Yes. Also, I did not do anything with my hair. This is literally how I woke up with it, so that'll be interesting. Got my headband on. Also, don't mind the pink on my eyelids. It's not like a disease or anything. But for makeup I was doing yesterday, put this on my eyelids. And, well, it likes to stain everything it touches. So, anyway, other than that, let's get into the actual makeup for this video. So first, I'm going in with the Pore Fessional Face Primer. Well, why will you not focus on? Anyway, yeah, this thing. So put this all over your face. Now this makeup is a bit different from what I normally do, but it's gonna look really cool. So next I'm taking this foundation by Model's Own. It's white, and I don't want my face to be absolutely white for this makeup, but the foundation that I have, I am almost completely out of, so I'm gonna be stealing my mom's. So just kinda put this on your face, and then, yeah. I'm also running very low, so next time I'm out at Ulta, oopsie, gotta get more of that. I gotta go get my mom's foundation now, so I'll be right back in a minute. Alright, I got two things here. I think I'm gonna go with the concealer because it looks a little bit lighter. It's this. You can't see that at all. I'm sorry about that. But I'm using this. Now with a damp beauty blender. This is the tannest I think I've ever been. And it's not very tan. Oh, it's not as pale as I'm used to, that's weird. I think I got it a little too close to my hairline, but that's fine, right? I'll just make sure you blend the neck. I just put myself in the eye. The neck down. Alright, believe me when I say this. I look a lot paler on camera than I do in person. And it's very weird. This concealer is not as light as it says. Ow. Alright, so now, set it. I'm using this. It's a loose setting powder. I prefer loose setting powders. Set your face. Now for this next part, I'm doing the eyes. So prime your eyelids for sure. And normally I would put a white eyeshadow on top of the primer, but I think for this time, I'm just gonna go right in with the colors because I think them going right on top of the primer, they will stick best and show up the best rather than going on top of a white. You'll see. Alright, can I just point out that I found a Q-tip on my vanity that looks like it has blood on it? Where did that even come from? Okay. Anyway. Alright, for this next part, you're gonna need any palette that has rainbowy, bright, happy colors. Stuff that I'm not used to wearing. My gecko is staring right at me. Can I help you? Anyway. I have the Galactic Cosmic Eyeshadow Palette from Hottopic. It looks like this. Pretty, see? And I'm also taking this giant Wet n Wild thing that I got for Christmas many years ago that has almost every color you can need in it. I also just remembered I have this Bloody Mary. It's a red eyeshadow. I literally got it off of Amazon. Alright, so my method for this is to basically make it messy and kind of watercolored look. So just go in with all the colors of the rainbow and just kind of, in this look you want some fallout to happen on your face to give more of that messy kind of, I want to say chalk kind of, or watercolor kind of look. So because I have red in my hand, I'm going in first with red. And you want a lot of product on there and just kind of make it messy. You could go up your eyebrow. A little bit down here. It's gonna look really cool. And for the other eye, you don't have to have it in the like same place. You can make it messy, put it anywhere really. Just do it with like all the rainbow colors, you know? Next shade I'm going in is Moon Rock from the Alien palette, this nice orangey one right here. Because I think that give a nice transition from the red to the orange. Because it's like that in-between color. This is a lot of fallout. Putting that kind of on top of the red a little. Oh, I think I just stabbed my eyeball. I actually just realized I have no orange eyeshadow. I'm completely out of it. So going right into yellow. If I can find one. I do have a yellow. It's in my giant eyeshadow palette. Doing the same thing with that. Don't worry if some of the eyeshadow from the previous color is already on your brush. That'll just help to blend it in a bit more. So just get it all on there. Now for green, I have this lovely shade Zero Gravity right here. So that'd be perfect to use. That and some of this neonish green I have in this palette right here as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all the other colors. You basically know what's going on. Now for the purple shade in the rainbow, I have a very dark purple called Milky Way, but I just realized that. This one's called Milky Way too. This is from the Interstellar eyeshadow palette from Hot Topic. It's broken, so I'm using the shade Milky Way from this one too, because it's a pretty, it's shimmery, which none of these are shimmers, but it's a pretty purple, so. I just have some more fun with it. I'm gonna take the purple and contour my nose with it. Now I have a sketch of my makeup here that I did last night. So, next we're going to do the brows. Now for my brows, how I normally do them is I ran out of brow wax, so I use chapstick. I mean, it works just as well. So, with a clean angled brush, because we don't want any discoloration on the brows. Clean this off really good. Alright, I went ahead and put the chapstick on my brows, like you would with the normal brow wax or brow gel, whatever. Now for the colors, they're going to be pinks, whites, and reds. For pride people, you know what colors those are for, so. So I'm going to start off with the burgundy kind of shades. Mix this with some pink and some of that hot pink right there. Now I'm just gonna do a normal winged liner and mascara. Now for this next part, I'm gonna be using face paint. I'm gonna be making like swirls and stuff go up my neck and like around my eye and stuff, but just like rainbowy. So starting with red, I'm just going like that, and then just going into the other colors. And as I go, I'm just making these little swirlies. Now with the blue, I'm just gonna finish off the swirl because I don't have purple face paint in this palette, so I'm gonna use eyeshadow for that. Just like that. See? I also thought it'd be kind of cool to add like little fun stuff going around it, so I did that too. Now for the highlighter, I went ahead and did highlighter. I used the Kat Von D highlighter, and I'm out of purple, so I used a Wet n Wild purple highlighter. For the lips, I have a really cool idea. Now I'm gonna use a base of black, and then you'll see. Now for the lips, I'm taking eyeshadow and just packing on the colors of the rainbow. So like red, and just keep going over, you know, like this. Now I'm going to add the highlight colors from this that go with these colors on top. Just like that. It's a little bit hard to see, I know. I also add some highlights under the nose. Now for my hand, I'm going to take white and outline on my hand this, because this is love and sign language. So I'm going to outline that on my hand while it's opened. Just like this. I don't know how well you can see, but it's outlined. So it looks like that. Now I also just took some eyeliner and wrote Love Wins. Like that. And this is the makeup. Now you're done. Happy Pride Month, everyone.